refreshing summer fruit punch made with just a few ingredients, but the end result is very refreshing. So if you want to see how I achieved this one, continue watching. And welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time here, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. So here we're jumping into the ingredients. Here we have some lime, mangoes, ginger, cucumber, beetroot, and we're going to use melon. So we're going to wash all these, peel what's supposed to be peeled, and prep them for the juicer. So to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for always coming back and checking out my videos and leaving those lovely comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. So continue watching and let's prepare this refreshing summer fruit punch. We're going to juice the lime in the juicer as well. So I'm going to peel these and remove the seeds, and then we can add that. For the beetroot, I'm going to use just a half of the beetroot just to give me the color that I need. Okay. This watermelon wasn't quite ready, but it was perfect for this sponge, so I'm using this. So now that I've prepped all my ingredients, here I'm using my juicer. Yes, and I'm going to just juice these, and then we can double strain to make sure that there isn't any roughage that get away during the juicing process. This is just juice, guys, real concentrated juice. So if you want, you can dilute this to make 2 times the amount by adding water. But I'm leaving mine as it is. And we're just going to finish juice all our fruits. And then we can double strain this as we mentioned earlier and sweeten. I'm going to use sugar to sweeten this. You can leave this as it is, guys, if you're looking for just a refresher. But I was making a fruit punch juice, so I'm going to add sugar to this. I'm using white sugar. You can use brown sugar if you wish. And we're just going to mix this well You can chill then serve, or you can just pour over ice. I'm going to pour over ice today. And here is our refreshing fruit punch juice, perfect for the summer heat, guys. Yes. So I hope that you did enjoy this one and that you will try making this one. Just add whichever fruits that's available to you at this moment. I wanted pineapple, but I didn't get pineapple, so I make use of what I have. And I'm just garnishing my glass with a thin slice of lime. This was very refreshing. So again, guys, just like the video, share, drop me a comment below, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.